Trust me, you wanna be high for this, be alive for this, get vibes to this. Live from the 715, JR, you know I've been the guy. Just know I speak no loose words. You see, I've been afraid, but now those days, oh, they seem like yesteryears. Just far away, look how I step. Art did a lean, mug it real mean. Free up, give you that high. Trust me, you wanna be high.
Hey, this is Fred, and I'm here. I'm going to discuss my 10th session with Neatcell. For those of you who are new to my channel, I use the blue Neatcell, and it's been 10 sessions. It's already been like 6 or 7 weeks since I did this session. I'm sorry for the late video. I started competing again in ultra marathons, which are 50K and 50K, 50 mile and 100K. I'm actually doing my first 100K in a couple weeks. But anyway, I just haven't. Sorry, I haven't had that much time to do to actually do sessions like I used to before. Oh, that's another thing I want to talk about. Before, I used to do them every 6 weeks like clockwork during the pandemic. But then I tried. One time I decided to wait. I think 10 to 12 weeks. Until my arm was fully healed, and I noticed a difference. I started getting, I think doing every 6 weeks caused some scarring because my arm wouldn't fully be healed yet. As you can see, look, it's been 7 weeks and I still have some redness here. And normally in the past, I would just keep going. But anyway, while we're here, let me check out my arm. Look at it is definitely getting lighter. Look up here. Like I said, there's parts gone. Like here, like, see how this is red? This originally, if you look at my first video, this was actually red, and I thought it was going to be permanent scarring. But look, the pigment has almost completely gone back to normal. I did have one scar here, but I shaved it a couple times with the shaver, and it's pretty much gone now. And it looks like it's here. It's right there. See where it's purple? But that wasn't caused from the Neatcell. That was when I was using TCA acid, and I stopped using it because that would really damage the skin. But anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can see it's gotten lighter. Look at, compare it to that. And I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do another session probably in the next couple weeks. As soon as this redness goes away, and I'll keep going. Well, I haven't stopped. And sorry for the late. I should have probably filmed this a couple weeks ago, but I didn't. I'm sorry. But like I said, I'm going to keep doing them and keep giving updates. Talk to you later.